Okay, time to give it up for Lori Allen and Mary Birdsong.
By the time I was 3, I could hit a high C. Ah! It was a long time ago.
That's like a C minus. That's not really bad at all.
C minus, not bad. Thank you.
Good. And I sang a Schubert aria at 4.
And my folks were so proud that they boasted out loud that the agents would come busting down our door.
Well, the time came about when I met a talent scout, and she gave me this advice, so sage. I bet that's a talent scout right now.
Oh boy!
Hello?
Or Cece.
Oh, hi. Did I get the part?
Well, look, they're going in a different direction is what's happening.
Oh, a different direction?
Yeah, they're skewing younger, thinner, prettier. You know the drill.
Oh. Well, did you get any other feedback?
Feedback?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Oh, my dear, you sing great, but until you lose weight, you will never set foot on the stage. Bye-bye.
Tell me, please, what are girls like me to do to ease the pain we're going through?
Oh, how can we change our lot? Oh, what an idea we've got. Let's kill the Ingenues. Oh, God, their baby blues. Hang them up by their big blonde curls. Strangle those bewitching girls. This is the worthiest cause I've ever seen.
Healthy moves. Drama was my life's ambition. Spent my life in an audition, while dreams of Desdemona filled my head.
I would do Shakespeare proud, and I'd move the whole crowd, as I'd lie there smothered in my bed.
'Twas no room for improving. For my monologue, it was so moving.
It really
I
was.
Case for Brad.
She was so fantastic.
I don't want to toot my own horn and be like, hey. I took it straight. And I made the director cry.
Still, she lost out the part to an airhead tart.
With a waist 6 inches smaller than my thigh.
Whoever said that talent was a must? Who needs emoting if you got a bust? I mean, folks, I'm a 32A, so like, I'm screwed in this town.
You know, Maren, I have a fabulous idea. You know those chicken cutlet things you put
Oh,
down
the
in there?
inserts in the bra?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're just like a bow, chicka, bow, bow. It's a big double T. It's great.
Yeah, they're already in.
Really?
How about we just continue with the song?
We should continue with the song.
Okay.
That's right. Oh, how can we change our plight?
Would you like to join me?
I might.
Good. Let's kill the Ingenues. Marry a librarian, pay her dues. Unemployment is such a bore. We won't take it anymore.
Death break and lift, right, turn, Swan Lake, fantastic. Oh, I was a dancing fool all the years I was in school. Graduated and set off for NYC. Oh boy.
I got awful plenty of time to try out for a chorus line, and I was just as on as I could be.
Then some 5 for 10 inch chippy, looking sleazy, talking dippy, sang 4 bars of happy birthday off key.